I'm Goodia, a little bird who once feared the sky. I lived in a cozy nest, dreaming of flight, but too scared to leap. One day, a fire broke out, and I had no choice but to face my fear. With my mother's encouragement, I spread my wings and jumped. At first, I fell, but then I soared. The freedom of flying was incredible. I not only saved myself, but also guided my family to safety. That moment taught me that true strength comes from overcoming our fears. Now, I fly confidently, sharing my story of courage with everyone.